Very good morning, students. Welcome to virtual class of marketing management. So, in the last class, we're discussing about the consumer behavior. Under consumer behavior, we discussed about the stages of buying decision process. So, there's a total 5 stages. The first one is need recognition, and second one is information search. And we discussed about the evaluation of alternatives, the purchase decision, and the post purchase. These are the 5 phases of decision making phases. In today's class, we discuss on factors influencing consumer behavior. These two concepts, purchase decision making and the factors influencing consumer behavior, is very important for your examination point of view as well. You can expect at least 1 or 2 questions from this, like 6 marks question for decision making process, or you can expect 14 marks question from factors influencing. The factors which we it's a common factors which how the consumer behavior. So consumer is in a common people, means the person who consumes the goods, the person who uses, means the end users. Here we have the total 4 factors. The first one is economic factor, personal factors, psychological factors, culture, cultural and social factors. We will discuss all these factors one by one. The first one is economic factor. The economic factor is something which influence the monetary terms. The economic is nothing but the monetary terms only. Means how the economic factors, how the monetary terms will influence in consumer behavior. The first one is personal income. It means the total income of the consumer. The personal income, based on the personal income, the consumer choices may differ. For example, the person who is like earning as 50,000, his choices is different from the person is earning only 10,000 per month. Based on the income, the choices the consumer will influence. The next one is discrete income. It means the income which is available after the deduction of taxes and the basic cost of living. For example, the income which left after tax deductions, rent, water bill, electricity bill, means this is the fixed deductions on daily. For example, every month you need to pay the electricity bill, every month you need to pay the taxes. Means if you have like income tax, salaried person, they will deduct that. So after deducting all these expenses, the amount which left, which is we going to use for the daily. For example, electricity bill, we know it's like fixed. Every month we'll get in like 1,000 based on the consumption. After deducting this, for example, if you are in 25,000 salary, so after electricity bill, after rent, everything, if you left with only 10,000, that is we call as discretionary income. Means that money we going to use for purchasing goods. Next, disposable income. The income available with the consumer to spend according to their wishes. In the previous income, like there, it's only after fixed income. But disposable income is something but, for example, after purchasing the necessary things for the home, for example, ration, means the essential things after spending that thing. So if you're left with another 2 or 3,000, that's what we call as disposable income. This income you can spend as per your wish. Then family income of the family. So lower income families have less demand on processor. It means like based on your income level of the family, you will spend means you will like your spending power will increase. So after this, the consumer expectations regarding the future income. For example, so you're working in a company, so you're expecting that after 2 months, 3 months, you may going to get an appraisal. Your salary going to increase. You're keeping that expectation, and you're going to purchase in a loan, like you're going to purchase in a bike, or you're going to purchase in a flat within a loan, stating that like yeah you will. That is consumer expectations regarding the future income means. So you'll expect that okay, my salary going to increase. That time I'll purchase like other things like bike, car, or other things. Then availability of liquid assets with the consumer. The liquid assets like the cash means which can be easily convertible cash. For example, gold it can be easily convertible cash. The consumer credit it means the availability of the consumer credit means credit policies. And the last one is level of standard of living. It means standard of living. Here, the consumer demands more and spends more. When if he has a good income, if his income is more, then his standard of living is high. For example, you are earning a 50,000. If you wanted to watch a movie, you'll go to the multiplex. What's the ticket cost there? Like 300 rupees, and like the other expenses we do, like everything, so it comes to the 1,000. And if you are earning only 10,000 rupees, will you go to the multiplex for watching movies? No, like we will go to the nearby theaters because there the cost is like around like 50 or like 60 rupees, and it won't much other expenses. Like you can watch the movie by around like 200 rupees. If you go to the multiplex, it is 1,000 rupees. So based on your income level, your standard of living will that's what we call it. If the demands more and the spends more, the increasing is income. The nature of consumption and the buying pattern of the consumer is affected by the family status as well, family standard of living. For example, like earlier, like you have job, like you have good earnings, you spend the more money, but later you lose the job or your income became less. But still, you wanted to maintain that standard of living. That case, what you do? If you're not having money also, for example, your friend purchased car, like you want to be like with the same status, like you go and like take the loan and purchase the things, means to maintain that. So that is a one. And the next factor, important factor, is personal factor. This is actually most important thing. This is things which influence. This is the thing, these are factors will helpful by targeting the customer. All this, the economic factor, personal factor, social factor, psychological factor, all these factors which influence in consumer behavior, you need to take it into consideration while designing your product, while fixing the price, while selecting the market, targeting the consumer, everything. So you should have the knowledge about all these factors from the beginning stage before finalizing this design, color, and other things. So you need to ask that like which kind of people you are going to target that. So you should know the knowledge, you should have the proper knowledge about all these factors, and you should have the data of all this. For example, what is the income level of the people I'm targeting? What is the disposable income for the family? What is the income level of the family? So you should have all these. So now the personal factors. Which are the personal factors? The first one is age. What kind of age group you targeting? Elderly, or the young people, or the school going children, or the college students? Because the people of different ages have the different needs. Last class I have taken an example that for buying toys, The attraction matters. For example, the if it is attracted by the child, so definitely will like force the parents to get that one. So different ages have the different needs. Then occupation, professionals, businessmen, salaried workers have the different demands. The salaried workers, the salary is fixed. There's no variability. So they have some kind of, for example, they were planning the okay, I will get 20,000 is how I need to spend. The businessmen, if they get a good profit, that time whatever the purchases they will make it in that profit. The professionals like doctors, lawyers, chartered accountant, if they got good business, for example, take the example, the chartered accountant. The March is a year end and April is a year beginning of for the chartered accountant. Usually they get the good business in that time, so they will not like take the leaves on that time. So they will earn that. After that, they go for the trips and other things. Means that is a means if you're targeting customer, for example, if you're running in a tourist business, to approach the chartered accountant is in the month of July or June is good because that time he has a good income because he earned in the May in the month of March and April he earned a good income. So if you approach means you have to target, you have to make your plans in such a manner. And the next life cycle stages, newly born. It means the married, grandparent. So every person will have the different and every stage will something will be influenced. For example, newly born, the person, the newly born baby will not decide what to buy. The parents will decide. For the teenagers, their choices. Bachelors, the married people, grandparents. And next, based on the lifestyle, achievers, strugglers, achievers, and the makers. So, based on this different level, based on the different lifestyle, so your buying behavior will change, your product choices will change. And next, personality, and the next, self concept. It means so like once you addicted, it means this is the factors you should know while listening. These are the factors which will influence based on the ages, occupation, lifestyle. So the factors will influence the buying decision. It means the consumer, this is the factors which will influence. The age will matter, the income will matter, the occupation will matter. And the next one, cultural factor. So we will divide culture and social separately. The culture is basically the way of living and thinking pattern that is followed from generation. The culture is not something we following from the rules guide or something. For example, in schools and colleges, we have a rules. For example, like Monday, you need to wear the uniform. Tuesday, you need to come in the formals. Wednesday, you need to come in a casual with a college T-shirt. Again, Thursday, you need to come in uniform. Friday and Saturday. That's the rules and regular. Means that is the rules, the predefined rules. But for the culture, so is there any way that like Hindus should follow this, Muslims should follow this, Christians should follow this? Is there anything? No. That is a followed from generation to generation. It means like we are following our ancestors. It includes the knowledge, belief, traditions, moral values, customs, and other such habits that acquired by the people as a member of society. It means we accepted that. As a whole, the example you can take Indian culture is entirely different from the cultures of other states. You can take any like subculture, for example, Indian Hindu or Indian Muslims, Indian Christians. The culture again if you go into like depth, they have the different like so the culture it's a follow from generation in the society. It's not a predetermined. So while making the products, if you're concentrating, like you need to give the preference to the culture as well. The product is against to the culture, the people will not follow that. Subculture. So in the last culture example, we take an example of India. The culture of India in Arabic state and other things are different. But if we consider in India, the people of North can be differentiated from the people of South by dressing style. We can differentiate. That's a culture. Means the traditions which we follow is differ. So we need to identify how this culture means this is subculture. Again, same in for example, if you wanted to re-divide it, go to the state wise. Again, for example, in Karnataka, South districts is different. They have a different tradition. North states have a different. The subculture consists of a group of people within a culture who exhibit similar buying behavior. As it means, if we like as a whole, the North Indian people and the South Indian people, they were different like kinds of. If you wanted to make it a separate subgroup, social classes, middle class, lower class, higher class people, you can divide. That's how like bifurcate. The social class segment the market on the base of income criteria and the standard of living. It refers to decision of members of the society on the basis of education, their occupation, their income, etc. The next, the social factor which influence consumer behavior. The culture and social which will always come as the same. So the things which we discussed here, culture, subculture, and the social class, it means how based on the standard of living, we'll call as for example middle class, lower class, upper class. How we divide this, we call it like social classes based on their income level or standard of living. And next, the social group, a group of collection of individuals with similar interests, means the people having the common interests we call as social groups. So for example, here an individual was accused regarding the consumption and disposal of products from the various social groups he belongs to. The various social groups and the individuals are part of, for example, reference group is nothing but it refers to all the people which directly affect the purchase pattern and decision of a consumer as a served as a point of reference. For example, reference, for example, like someone is purchased something, like he will make as a like reference. For example, in your family, so they will always okay. This person is studying in this institution, so they will take as a reference of that, and like they will while choosing the institution, they will select that, or the person is using that kind of mobile, like you can purchase. That means we will use as a reference. And then a contractual group, it means it includes the family, friends, means the person's peer groups we call it, the persons who have a direct contact, like face-to-face interaction with an individual. They're the main source of interest. It means, for example, by talking, like they will tell, okay, go and go for this brand. Means this kinds of group we call as contractual. Means the close circle. For example, if you wanted to purchase anything, who you will ask? You will ask the person of which is good, like which is bad. Means the first circle we call as like contractual group. Then something called as like avoidance group, a group of people that have a negative impact on the consumer. Without using that, you might have experienced some cases. The people will tell that like, don't go for that, don't buy this. Like without using, they will express that kind of view. A consumer disassociate himself from such a group and avoid using the product and services used recommend. So, for example, the persons who create in a negative image are like always the person who thinks about negative. So you always avoid such kinds of groups. And the next is aspirational groups. It includes, we can call it as like film stars, TV celebrities, sports, whom a consumer can follow. Means, for example, your role model we can call for the aspiration group. A consumer wants to associate him with him, or for example, whatever the brands he is using, or like you'll attracted by the advertisement. For example, who are following Sachin, so everyone will go and purchase MRF pad. So that is how it will inspire. And the social factors, we have next one is opinion leaders. It refers to a key individual in a group which influence the behavior of a member, providing them with relevant information. Means opinion leader. For example, so you have a group friend circle. For example, if you want to take anything, so always like you will behave, like you will go and ask one person. For example, he gives a genuine opinion. For example, he always thinks about the people, or like your friends group or your faculty members or your family. Means you believe that, so he will guide in a such a manner, so it will always suit us. For example, after your graduation, for example, after your BBA, before choosing, for example, if you have 2 to 3 companies offer letters, so you'll approach the faculty which one I need to take, because you will take the opinion. That kinds of we call as opinion leaders. Then the role and status. Every person plays many roles in the society. The employee to his boss, parent to his children. So example means, for example, role and status. For example, a company CEO, he will not come by a public transport. Always he wanted to maintain the status, so he will go by in a car or something. On a CEO of a company would prefer to buy a branded products from a big store because he wanted to keep the status. And some cases like you work in a good company, so whenever you're purchasing, always you think that okay, I want to. If you're like leader of, for example, if you're the CEO of your manager of that company, means like you need to maintain that status. And the last factor, psychological factors. Here the consumer behave differently towards say marketing mix. Yeah, because like we have like different people, like the marketing strategies, they will not make like different strategies for the different people. So after analyzing all these factors, they'll make a some kind of like marketing, for example, product, other thing. Due to the respective psychological factors, they'll, for example, the motivation factors, the motive in internal goals, and how they will involvement and perception, learning, personality, lifestyle. It means it's completely depends. For example, if you take an involvement, a cricketer will give an high importance and he will be highly involved within purchasing cricket bat. Well, he may have the low involvement in the interest in purchasing the luggage bags. So if your area of interest is sports, like whenever you're purchasing sports kind, for example, jersey, sports shoes and everything, so you'll have an high involvement because always you check. But same thing, you will not give the same importance to the other. For example, you're interested in like music, or you're interested in electronic gadgets, you will give the more preference for purchasing this, and that time you will review and you will like take the more choice, you will review the more choices, and you will take the opinion from the different people before selecting them. Same thing you will not do. Take an example that you are a sports person, you are interested in cricket. For joining in a cricket academy, you will inquire many things, but you are not interested in education. For selecting in a college, you will not do such kind of like. So whatever your father suggests, you'll go and join to that college. But for the sports, if you're interested in the sports, you'll encourage the friends and you'll check the Google reviews because you want to know best exposure. That's how the attitude matters. Learning. So the process which brings in a permanent change in the behavior of a person, people generally learn through the past experience and develop a certain behavior towards product or service. This from the learning means the experience is a kind of learning. Earlier you purchase one product, you experience something you're satisfied, like you had a good experience. That's a learning. So based on your experience, you will. So this is all about your factors. So as I told earlier, one is decision making process, another one factors influencing consumer behavior is very important. So you can expect this question for the 14 marks. Go through this chart again. So it's everything the day to day which you are doing. Here nothing new will come. So all the factors it is like you can directly relating to you. Economic factor, for example, while purchasing anything, how it will influence. For example, if you are like you're raising your pocket money like every month, like 2,000 from your father, how you're purchasing. For example, 1 month your father is not given any pocket money. How your purchasing behavior based on the savings. Just assume that when you're in the age of 10 or 12 years, like how you're behaving, like purchasing, what kind of product you are like purchasing. Now, what is your interest, lifestyle, and check about your psychological factors. What will motivate you? How your involvement, how your learning will matter, and check about how the culture is impacting on you. It's all like nothing new. Just you can write it in your phone, like you already experienced all these factors. Okay. So thank you. Have a great day.